So today we have these railroad spikes. I thought it'd be kind of cool. We're gonna paint them into mushrooms and ladybugs and stuff and put them around the garden and in front of the house. Should be a fun project. Going to start by spray painting them all black, let that dry, and then let the kids get after it with some paint. All right, bud, so I painted them black. What do you think? We're gonna let those things dry. What are you gonna do? You gonna do a ladybug or a mushroom?
Mushroom.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
And our Mrs. Steiner, we will have a
What you got?
dime game.
Oh, and we're gonna play a dime game? Good job, give me 5. Boom. All right, while we're waiting for them to dry, got some Fast and Furious car action going down the ramp. Oh, look at it go. Woo!
Stop.
It did.
You fit.
So we got our paint down. Time to paint these guys. What is yours gonna be?
Ladybug.
I'm gonna do a ladybug too. It's gonna be cool. Okay, Mavis, what are you gonna make?
A mushroom.
Okay, let's get the
I
paint.
think to make some clover.
Cool ladybug. How's yours going, Rosalind?
And see,
Cool.
Let's see. I put.
Is yours gonna be a mushroom or a ladybug?
This is Memphis. I think it's a ladybug.
Let's see you, Mom.
Alrighty. Looking like a little ladybug.
I'm using the ground.
What you got going on, Rosalind?
Really nice.
Here,
Oh no.
this one will work. Are you doing the white for that?
Let's see what Becca's looks like. Alright.
Or do you are use it for
Pink
that?
mushroom.
We'll
Rosalind's doing things. Hey.
Oh, good
another one?
job.
Mama need on.
What, Memphis? Yours looks really cool.
Mama.
Wow, bud.
Does the good need to dry out?
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, Mavis, let me see it. Wow, bud. I love it. You like it?
Yes.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Give me 5. All right, so there's all of our flowers, ladybugs, and mushrooms, and all that good stuff. What do you think, Rosalind? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay, would you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay.